Hi friends, today we're doing things a little differently. I'm doing it more of a vlog style because this week I'm making over our office space. Like our work from home thing. Where we work from home. So yeah, we're headed to Home Depot to get paint samples.
Yes.
Great, you're really great on camera right now.
Let's do it.
Let's go. We just got back from Home Depot. We biked, so my hair is looking crazy, but we got some paint samples and I went for green, greenish blue, and we're gonna put them on the walls and see how they look. Yeah, we're gonna put them on the walls and see how they look. Okay. Very green, kind of blue. We'll see. Days later, and I'm actually gonna start on the project. This is our work from home space. Both me and my husband work from home right now, and this is it. Yeah, so it's in the back of our living room. Here's some bookshelves, cute. So today I'm going to, what am I doing? To separate the workspace, I'm gonna make an accent wall, and it's either gonna be a circle or a column, like a rectangle with a half circle on top. I haven't decided yet, so I'm gonna do the circle first, see how it looks, figure out where it goes and everything, and then I'm gonna paint some samples that we got at the store the other day, and then see how it looks and go from there.
What?
The cork board doesn't want to come off of the wall.
The cork board?
Oh no! The cork board won't come off of the wall without ripping. Wow. You know, things say they're renter friendly, and they're not. Oh yeah, it'll come off easily with the stickers. Will be fine.
Just rip it off.
For the circle, I want the midpoint to be in the center of the desk. So I figured out the midpoint. We're gonna measure it to be somewhere over here. That's not making any sense. It'll be clear once I do it. Okay, how to do math. We're making a circle and cut it to the length of the radius that I want it to be. Tie it to a push pin, put it in the center, and then just make a circle. We got our push pin with our string attached to our pencil. We did it. Okay, before we do anything else to the wall, I'm going to draw the circle. It's a big circle. Now that the circle is drawn, I'm gonna clean up the wall. Take these nails out. Clean the sticky stuff off of the wall that came from our cork board. Probably should patch those holes up, shouldn't I? Okay, there has to be a better way. I'm gonna figure out a better way to take the goopy stuff off of the wall. Gross. I looked it up and it says try and get off all the residue as much as you can manually with your fingers, and then just take a dry cloth and rub it off. So let's see if that works. It works! Hooray! So I'm gonna put the paint samples right here. Now I'm going to attempt to make an acrylic calendar. So I have an 18 by 24 inch acrylic sheet, and I have these standoff screws. I need to drill into the acrylic sheet the size of this screw. I'm a little nervous because I've never done this before and I'm afraid it's gonna crack. I'm leaving the the sticker cover that it comes with, and I'm gonna put tape on where I want to screw my holes just to ensure that it doesn't shatter. It says it's shatterproof, but we'll see. Fingers crossed this works. I'm gonna start by measuring where I want all 4 holes to go, and then I'm going to drill and start with a smaller size and increase the size until I get to this size to make sure it doesn't crack. I did it! That was really hard. We did it. So what we found out works is starting with the smallest drill bit you have and going size by size up. Don't put a lot of pressure on the smallest bit. It was really hard and labor intensive. And so now I'm gonna do it 3 more times. I don't know if I would recommend this DIY. It is technically cost effective for the size. This was it's like altogether maybe $45, and the size online that I've seen is like $80. But I don't know if it's worth the labor that you have to go through. We'll see. See how it turns out. Y'all, I did it. There are holes in it. Okay, next step, clean it off, take all the stickers, tape off, and then make it look more like a calendar. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Bad news.
What?
Avatar creators backed out of the live series.
What?
Yeah. So they're not doing the live action Avatar series.
Why?
I don't know why. Apparently it's because Netflix is hiring a lot of white actors to play the lead roles. Apparently. Apparently Zuko, Katara, and Aang were all white.
Did they not learn anything from the first movie, live action movie? They're all Asian and indigenous people. I don't understand. I did the lines on the back of the sheet with a Sharpie and a straight edge. I made sure I measured out all of the boxes to be 3 by 3, so everything should be symmetrical, the same, straight. It should look good. Then I flipped it over, and now I'm going to put on these stickers that I ordered. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like on the wall. Looks pretty good. I don't know if I would recommend this DIY to anyone who's not used a drill before, but once you get the hang of drilling these holes, then it goes pretty quickly, but it's not super easy, so just keep that in mind. Okay, which one do you think I picked? Put which one you think in the comments. Here we go. Hey. I'm gonna outline it first and then get to painting. I did it! Yay, look at it. Now we wait for it to dry and see if it needs a second coat. Probably will, but that means I have to get more paint, so hopefully not. Now that the circle is painted, we hung up the standoffs for the calendar that I made. We used a template to make sure it was precise. It was really hard to hang this, but we did it, and now we put the calendar on and move the furniture back. Ta-da! We did it. Now I'm gonna clean it off and then we'll move the desk back here. Now for finishing touches. Here's the before. And after. I think the space feels like a separate part of the living room now, and it's just so cute. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.